Welcome to our Intuitive Empath Empowerment Series. Feel stronger, empaths. Feel stronger today. Be sure to watch the whole video for one empath self-care tip that you can use right now to lower stress and anxiety and depression. These are empath healing techniques for the intuitive empath. And make sure that you catch all the videos in this series using the link below for all the juicy empathic empowerment goodness.
Wherever you are in your journey, we're here to help.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
She's Heather. I'm David.
From
Caren.com, home of our Intuitive Awakening community and the C.Ht Academy.
As you come on, let us know where you're watching from.
And let us know if you're excited for this particular video by dropping #excited in the comments. And any question that you might have as we go along, drop that in the comments too.
Self-care is so important for the empath as they're learning to master their emotional responses to energy. We want to give you a simple self-care tip you probably didn't think of to do that is so easy to do right now. And it lowers fear, anxiety, and depression.
Boom. Now there are many self-care techniques that produce natural hormones that calm us, that we just don't do, and they literally cost nothing. Do something repetitive and boring, but meaningful.
That's the key, meaningful. And I bet you didn't think that was going to be it, did ya? I had this Catholic grandmother, and I would see her speaking her rosary when she was stressed and bedridden and didn't understand fully what was going on. She had had a stroke, but this calmed her.
And neurologists have found that it isn't just about the rosary or the mala or anything necessarily religious. It is about these simple, repetitive activities that are pleasurable and mean something.
So not like banging your head against the wall repeatedly because the wine is gone. There are other repetitive spiritual practices like the Satnama
can take you into a deep state of relaxation, which lowers tension, stress, and anxiety.
Calm the mind and rejuvenate the brain. Satnama. Simple, repetitive activities. Even knitting or crocheting warm beanies for the homeless while you Netflix and binge can help.
So that's our insight for this video. Make sure that you binge on all of the videos that we have for you, and don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of your empathic abilities.
In the next episode, one more empath self-care tip you can use right now.
Or in the future, when you watch that next video, go binge it. If you've gotten something valuable today, let us know in the comments with #valuable. And if you want more, you might be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community, where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step into confidence and clarity.
If you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community, C.Ht Academy.
Check out those links in the description. See if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. Check out the goodies we got for you. Come on. No? Okay. There's a link in the description below if you liked this video.
Hit the like button.
Boom. Smack it like a champion. And if you want to see more videos like this,
Be sure to subscribe.
And spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on,
So you're the first to know
when we drop a new video
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and such a precious resource. And the fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, and take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. Be sure to binge on all the other videos we have for you. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.